In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to write a fraction as a mixed number. So if we have a problem like this that says write 40 over 7 as a mixed number, and we're going to go through this in detail. So step 1, understand what a mixed number is. A mixed number is a whole number mixed with a proper fraction. The whole part tells us how many wholes, and the fraction portion tells us the fractional part of the number, or the number in between two integers. That's what a fraction is. The number, for example, between 1 and 2. So step 2 is divide 40 by 7. So there's two ways to write it. This 40 divided by 7, and we're going to go through and do this the long way. So now we have to figure out how many times does 7 fit into 40. So we could go through and in our minds the 7 times table, and you will figure out that 5 is the one that fits into 40 without going over. So now we multiply 7 times 5. So multiply this times this, and you will get 35. So now you subtract 40 minus 35, and you get 5. So that's the remainder. Now this is the fractional part. This is what is going to be used as the fractional part. Okay, this is 5 here. So now let's finish off this one, 40 divided by 7, and how you would make that look is equals 5, which is this, and then the remainder of 5. Okay, so that's two different ways of writing it. Now we could take this 40 divided by 7 and we can turn it into a mixed number. So it's going to be 5 and 5 over 7. So when you have 40 over 7 and the answer looks like this, then to make this a mixed number, it's going to be 5 and then the remainder 5 over 7. If you have it this way, then you do 5 as the whole number and then 5/7 as the fraction. Okay? So now there's maybe one or two more steps. The final step, how to check if the answer is correct. So what you would do is you multiply 5 times 7, you know it's 35, then you add back 5. So 35 plus 5 equals 40. So we got the original answer back. We get 40 over 7, so we know that our answer is correct. So finally, let's take a look at how the model looks for this. So this is how it looks. So it's going to be 5 wholes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5/7. So this is partially filled in. Only 5 pieces are filled in and 2 are left unfilled. So that's 5/7. And that's it. That's the entire problem. And don't worry if you don't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video and pause the parts and review the ones that are a little bit tricky for you. As well, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. As well, make sure to download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson in it. There's a link there that'll take you to this video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.